siyam tubang.
Okay, let's have question and answer portion. Let's start. Ready na? Step sa this one.
Yes.
Start. Okay. What is your name?
Wala kita.
You love to eat chocolates.
Yes.
What is your favorite fruit?
Orange.
Orange. Wow, I love orange too. How about your favorite color?
Orange.
Orange, the same with your fruit. How about your favorite toy?
Puzzle toy.
Puzzle toy. You have many puzzle toys already?
Batu.
Do you have many puzzles now already? Who's your love?
Mommy, daddy.
Mommy and Daddy. Wow. Who else?
Tita kami.
Tita Tiangex. Who else?
Titoy.
Titoy. Who? I will help you fix this, okay? Who do you want to play?
Bang bang.
You want to play Bang Bang, but who do you want to play with?
Mommy.
Mommy. Do you love sweets? You love sweets? Wow.
Aban ko ba di chocolate ha?
Okay, sure. Banon ka ni Mommy,
Atal
okay?
ko pa din.
Usa ka mo palit? Adto sa, where do you want to buy? In the mall or in the store?
But sila, mimbo ka, ito tapalitiin ka ng chocolate.
Oh, yes. Naka-remember ko. Dito tani palit o chocolate sa ICM. You want to go to ICM?
Gan ko, palit lang ko gan. Akan diba?
Wow. Ganyan kayo pa. Kadaghan duwaan sa ICM? Nak, ka-remember ka ito nag-swimming ta? Asa ka ganahan mag-swimming?
Ano na yung
Sa beach or swimming pool?
tabi.
Sa beach?
Dating po.
Sa swimming pool? Ngano ganahan magka sa swimming? Ngano ganahan magka mag-swimming sa swimming pool?
Ha?
Ngano ganahan magka swimming pool?
Kay gan ko tunin lang. Ikuhado ko to tiling po.
Wow, di ka malok og swimming pool?
Ito ka di.
Anya, iflaw mang swimming pool.
Ha?
Iflaw mang swimming pool, dili ka mahadlok.
Hadok po.
Mahadlok pod ka?
Oh.
Unsay ganahan nimong i-ride? Airplane or ship?
Open.
Airplane? If mo ride tag airplane, asa man ta mo dong nak?
Yes, yan.
Atan man ka sa Hong Kong Disneyland.
Ganaw naman dagang Mickey Mouse.
Wow, ganahan kag Mickey Mouse?
Oh. Okay, mana. Bye, guys.